Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working issues in Hollow Knight Silksong on PC. Whether your controller isn't detected at all, buttons aren't responding, or inputs feel completely broken, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get back to smooth gameplay. First, open Steam and head to your library. Once you're there, find Hollow Knight Silksong, right-click on it, and select Properties from the menu. On the left-hand side, click on the Controller tab. Now, look for the option called Override for Hollow Knight Silksong. From the drop-down menu, select Enable Steam Input. After applying this setting, launch the game and test your controller to see if it's working properly. Next, if the controller still isn't responding, don't panic. Go back to the same Controller Override menu. This time, change the option to Disable Steam Input instead. Relaunch the game again and test your controller. Some games work better with Steam input enabled, while others require it to be disabled, so testing both options is very important. Now, let's fine-tune your global controller settings. Open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Controller. Here, you'll see support options for different controller types. Only enable the controller you're actually using. If you're using an Xbox controller, try enabling Steam input for Xbox controllers. If that doesn't work, disable it and test again. For PlayStation controllers, try setting PlayStation controller support to not enabled first. If that fails, enable it for games without native support. For Switch controllers or generic gamepads, do the same enable or disable and test what works best. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your controller is properly connected before launching Steam, avoid using multiple controllers at the same time, and keep Steam fully updated. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary detection issues. Once you've adjusted these settings, restart Steam, relaunch Hollow Knight Silksong, and test your controller again. After that, you should be able to play the game normally with full controller support and no input problems. It's also a good idea to install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're using an Xbox controller, as this improves compatibility and stability. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix controller and gamepad issues in Hollow Knight Silksong on PC easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?